In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Notion. Icons are a simple way to make your pages easier to recognize and a lot more fun to look at. They can help you quickly scan your workspace, separate different types of content, and give your pages a bit of personality. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what options you have, and a few tips to make the most of icons in Notion. First, open the page where you want to add an icon. You can do this from your sidebar or from any link inside your workspace. Once the page is open, look right above the page title. You'll see a small button or text that says Add Icon. This is the main control you'll use. Go ahead and click on Add Icon. As soon as you do, Notion will automatically place a default icon above your title. Usually this is a simple emoji or symbol. Don't worry if it's not what you want. This is just a starting point, and you can change it at any time. After the icon appears, hover your mouse over it and click again. This will open the icon menu. Here you'll see a few different options. You can choose from a large library of emojis, select a built-in Notion icon, or in many cases, upload your own custom image if you want something very specific, like a logo or branded graphic. If you're using emojis, you can scroll through the categories or use the search bar to quickly find what you need. For example, you might search for a book icon for a reading list, a laptop for a work dashboard, or a calendar for a planning page. Try to pick icons that clearly represent the content of the page. This will make it much easier to navigate later on. Once you've chosen an icon, just click it, and it will instantly replace the default one above your page title. You don't need to save anything. Notion updates it automatically. If you change your mind, simply click the icon again and pick a new one. That's really all there is to it. Open your page, click Add Icon above the title, and choose or change the icon to match your content. With just that simple action, your workspace will start to look more organized, more visual,